Hello guys, how many students are there? It's 14 now. Around 15 are going to join. Hi Vinit, are you there?
Yes.
Perfect. Hi Arpit, hi Bhanu, hi Digvijay, hi Rohit, hi Lumesh, Palesh, Pavni, Pratik, two Pratik are there. Hi Praveen, hello Sachin, Shankar, Siddharth. Everybody's ready? Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Guys, this is a AMA session and it's especially for all of you. And you all are busy in the preparation for GATE 22. And day before yesterday, we discussed with our expert B Vinith, and he suggested us for the webinar. So this webinar will be very good for you. You can ask your queries and you can know about the strategies and tips for GATE 22. Okay, so Vinith will share everything and you just need to ask anything else. Okay, so feel free to ask with Vinith. And this is the AMA session, so Vinith will not share anything else from by own. You just need to ask and he will reply on your queries related to the preparation. Okay, so don't start. You are not allowed to ask any questions, solution, or anything else from any subject. You just need to ask how can you prepare for the GATE and what difficulties are you facing in this time period of the preparation. So Vinith is there to guide you. You can start anything else from now. Vinith, please introduce yourself also.
Yes. Hello, everyone. My name is Vinith, and you know me that I am the topper of GATE 2021. So today's session is totally for discussing about your queries and the preparation strategy for GATE 2022. So you can. So first, I want to tell you that GATE is not meant for just like only PSUs. So if you are aiming only for PSUs, then you will be hurted a lot when you will not get any PSU even after getting good rank. So try to have a backup plan even in the case of if you don't get PSU. And also one suggestion to you all that need to show this. Yeah, please unmute everyone so that I can. Okay. So at the initial stage of your preparation, do not try to think about PSUs and the other hurdles that which you will face. So do not think about your future, that what happened after GATE and whether you will get PSU or not. This will hurt your preparation and increase your stress level, because in your GATE examination, you will feel that in order to get a good rank, then you will set a target of around 80, 75, 90. This, and you know that this target is very impossible when you means initially when you preset your target, then it is very impossible to achieve that target, because in the GATE exam the things will like in your BTech exams. So that is a competitive exam and the level depends. So it means I want to say that 21 paper was easy, but you can see the GATE 2020 paper that was tough, and the cutoff also you can see that was also varied, and the toppers marks was also varied in 2020 in 2021. So you cannot set a target, because it depends upon that time. It depends upon the difficulty level of paper, and that time difficulty level of paper, and your preparation strategy, your strengthness and weakness and all. So do not think about anything. just think that you have to perform good. You have to attempt as much as possible questions with 100% accuracy. What you have means what is your strong area and weak area. What are the questions and what are the areas which you are targeting. You will perform good. That should be your target. Do not think about MTech cutoffs, PSU cutoffs, PSUs and all. That is a secondary matter, and you all will get definitely if you will perform good in GATE examination. So anyone, now you can start asking your doubts related to the GATE.
Sir, what is the placement scenario for metallurgy in IIT Bombay? Do companies discriminated on the basis of branch as we are from metallurgy?
The placement scenario is very good, and in fact, in IIT Bombay is the #1 college for MTech metallurgy stream, because if you see the number of students, the intake students are generally 86, but out of the 86 students, we have sponsored category students and all. So if you eliminate the sponsored ones and all, so this year I am sitting for the placement in IIT Bombay. So 48 students are registered for the placement for IIT Bombay, and out of that 48, companies generally prefer the people, those who have BTech and MTech in metallurgy background. So you will be getting around 20 people per competition, and the offers will be around 15. So you can see the 15 out of 20 will be placed. Means all the deserving candidates, those who prepare, those who do work hard, and also those who are good in core, so they will get placement, I think. My seniors also got placement, those who were really dedicated and eligible.
Sir, is there any criteria for drop years or 10-12% or college CPI? As in BTech, almost all companies has a criteria of 70% in 10th and 12th, and I have 69%, so I am not eligible for this. So is this same condition on the MTech placement?
Yes, for core companies, you have to secure above 8.5 CPI in your MTechs, because MTech, the placement policy.
Sir, no, sir. I am talking about 10th and 12%. As I have 69% in 10th, so I am not eligible for BTech placement. Almost all the companies. So same criteria is there for the metallurgy in MTech.
No, they will not see the BTechs and MTechs and all. Sorry, BTechs and your 10th background, 12th background. They will only prefer your MTech.
Sir, is there any extra time for extracurricular activities in first year?
After your first semester, in second semester, you will get a lot of time if you are in corrosion stream and process stream. But in material science is a core metallurgy branch, so you will not get that much time.
Sir, why you chosen material science over steel and corrosion?
Material science is a core metallurgy stream. Means if you are completely interested in metallurgy, and material science will help you a lot in your future also. So in let's say if you will work in the DRDO, ISRO or BAR, so these are R&D sectors, you know that. So these are completely dedicated for research. These are not for earning your money like PSUs. So if you work there, then you have to do PhDs. Means you have to do PhDs, otherwise you will not get promotion and all. You will not get future growth. So for that, you should be interested in metallurgy. That's why I have chosen the material science, because it is related to the metallurgy field completely.
Are they any different from placement perspective?
No. Every company, they will not look about the material science, steel making and all. They will see only our MTech projects. They see your seminars, and whether you have any knowledge from that subject or not. That's okay. That's enough.
Sir, how many core companies recruits from IIT Bombay? Can you name someone?
Wait, Lumesh. Actually, we don't have enough time, so everybody needs to ask. So I think you can ask your last question related to GATE preparation. Okay. So give the time to other candidates also. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you,
some questions are in the chat section. You can read.
Okay, so please share the Pranjal to me. Please share the GATE strategy to get good rank for PSC. So strategy is simple. So you have to first in the initial stage. Now we are in the month of September. So from November to January, from November to February, we have 3 months: November, December, and January. So in 3 months, you have to do complete revision and practice previous years, and also to analyze yourself, you should involve in test series. So if you involve in test series and try to solve the previous year questions one by one, not by just by hurry. So and the test series subject by subject. So you should know that what is your problem and what is your weak area and what is your strong area, and you should be confident in yourself that what is your strength, because in GATE exam you will see lot of questions from different subjects. So that in GATE you will not find like yeah, it is your favorite thermodynamics, your favorite area, and you will see the question from thermodynamics. So there will be a mix of thermodynamics and maths and all subjects. And in 21 if you see, and the marks was also randomly distributed. Like you can see, the earlier the pattern was 1 marks question were asked first, and 2 marks question will be asked and after question number 25. So in 21 you will not, you haven't seen that type of pattern. So the questions were jumbled. So you should be confident enough that which is a strong area, because once you start attempting the question, it will take 2 to 3 minutes time if you are comfortable. But if you will not be comfortable, then that question will take around 10 minutes. And you know the value of time in competitive exams, because for every question you will get 3 minutes only. So a test in test series, you should analyze yourself that which portions you are comfortable with. And in the last 3 months time, you will not study anything new. Like if you can see, the syllabus is very long, and if you have transport phenomena which is not covered by you, so you will not cover that portion in 3 months, because that will hurt you a lot in after the GATE exam. Placement in IISc. In IISc, the placement scenario is very bad, because IISc only focuses about the research. So if you are genuinely interested in research, then go for IISc. But the level of teaching and everything you will get very good as compared to all institutions in India. But do not go for placements in IISc. So how did you deal with your fatigue while preparing? So fatigue is not like, means if you are in work. So if you are doing some work or anything, like if you are, when I in 2021 I studied, I have given the GATE along with my MTech. So I was not got any time, but still it's okay, because if you have prepared and you have confidence, then you will achieve anything. So you will not be fatigued. It's syllabus from physical mathematics, phase transformation, construction, microscope. Can you see from where we need to study this topic reference book or any video course? So for the phase transformation part, you can refer the DA Porter. You can refer the DA Porter, because but DA Porter is a very lengthy. It is like data. So you can refer the B Raghavan for solid state phase transformations. B Raghavan for solid state phase transformation. You will get all the things in a very neat compiled manner that is understandable for the because in GATE you can see that the questions on phase transformation will not be that much hard, because that is a huge subject. So you can refer the solid state phase transformation by V Raghavan, and that is sufficient for this type of things. Just a minute, I am coming.
Okay, guys, you can put your questions in chat section. Yeah, Vinith has been. Continue, Vinith. Continue.
Yeah. So okay, this physical metallurgy part is okay. Then for rest of the physical metallurgy, you can refer the V Raghavan. V Raghavan physical metallurgy separate, and V Raghavan the material science and engineering is also separate book. So you have to study both these books, because material science is a basic background, and physical metallurgy is in depth of the heat treatment and testing. You can refer other books also, like Vijay Singh and many other books. But if you don't have time, then just study these books. That is sufficient. College where qualifying GATE is a great achievement. Could you please tell some basic? nearly qualifying gate in metallurgy stream is not enough, because in metallurgy the qualifying marks is, you can see the qualifying marks are high, but that doesn't give you anything, because you will not get any college if you are just qualified the gate. So for qualification it is very simple, only practice previous year. You don't have to study anything, just practice the previous year, and that is sufficient, because your around your 50 to 60 marks will be from previous years. Where can I solve problems with a previous example? Solve problems with a previous example. So you have Aindra, no, sorry, you have Arihant for previous years. You can purchase that book from your Amazon, and you will get previous years, complete set of previous years from 2000 to 2021.
Any questions, guys?
Sir, if we have to choose for going a job after masters or getting a job during the BTech itself, what would be your preference? Like, what should we go?
Arpit, you are muted.
You are not audible. Yeah.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Is my voice audible? Sir, my question was, if we have to go for a job during the BTech or going after the masters, what is the placement opportunities after the masters? Like, is it the same or is it more tougher? Like, if you go after the masters?
If you get good college in your MTech, like IIT Bombay and IIT Madras, also IIT Kharagpur is also somewhat good. So you will get lot of opportunities as compared to BTech, because one thing is your placement scenarios are very good, because now the situation is improving. The companies are opening their market, and then second thing is you can go to foreign for doing your MS or a PhD, and in foreign you know the scenario, because in foreign like in Europe, if you go to Europe, then they are completely they are focusing on one area, like they are focusing energy and energy sector. And if you will go to America, US, then they will focus on space or defense related. So you will get lot of job opportunities after your PhD. But in MTech also, you can expect that your placement is around 60%. Means out of 18, 12 will be placed.
Okay, sir.
Prakash, would you like to ask anything?
The NPTEL course of Kalol Mandal is a very huge course. You can see that 32 lectures was there in NPTEL course. So you can read the syllabus, you can go through the syllabus thoroughly, because syllabus is focused on the kinetics. You can see the numericals also in previous years. So mainly the kinetics portion was covered in GATE. So you have to go through that syllabus thoroughly, and do not go through that Kalol Mandal lectures completely. You can see only few lectures which is relevant to your syllabus. But for theory, yes, Fontana is the universal book, like your mechanical metallurgy reader. So you can go through Fontana.
Prakash, your voice is clear, so you can ask your question by chat section.
Two papers. So in your MT paper is only for your PSUs, because PSUs only hire the MT paper. Means they recruit through the GATE MT score, not through your XC score. XC paper is for your getting admission in your MTechs. But XC is also not easy now, because the popularity has been increased, because many mechanical students, they do not get admission in this material science stream for IIT Bombay, IISc, and this all IITs. So they are starting preparing for XC stream. So you can sit in XC stream for your MTechs and MT paper for your PSC. level of math is very easy as compared to the mechanical and others, because here you will get only previous year questions, only 1 to 2 new questions. CGPA criteria for PSU is around 55%. So greater than 55, 60% is otherwise you will be rejected.
Any question, guys?
It depends upon the number of vacancies. Like you can see in GATE 2018, the SAIL recruited, and the SAIL has 88 vacancies. SAIL recruited for 88 vacancies. So your rank depends upon the number of vacancies. So if you are in the top 50, then it will be very good, because by seeing the 2022 PSUs, IOCL has around 15 seats, I think, not more than 15. And NALCO has around 15 seats, not more than 15. And also, I think that the BIS will recruit, it will be around 15 seats, and DRDO recruits, and it will be around 10 seats. So you will get that 45, 50 seats, 50 to 60 seats. And those who are in the top 50, they will get PSUs. If SAIL comes, then your rank, if you are in the top 100, then you will be placed if SAIL comes. Otherwise, you will not. Could you please write a detailed log in the preparation? Yes, I have. I think Feynman Test has uploaded my video,
On YouTube?
detailed video,
Yeah.
in YouTube. Books which you refer in your preparation time. The books are the standard books that has also means I have mentioned in the Feynman Test video. Which part of thermodynamics and mechanics should prepare for sure? You have to prepare complete syllabus, because there will you have no choice. Metallurgy syllabus is very less as compared to the mechanical and electrical. So whatever mentioned in the syllabus, you have to prepare completely. No, you cannot. If you are not comfortable with Gaskell, then you can prefer Ahindra Ghosh. That is very short book, and that has a very brief summary of all the topics. So you can study Ahindra Ghosh for all the topics. Previous year papers are very good for understanding the level of questions asked from that topics. So you can refer them. Core companies which come around 7 to 8 depends upon means the same companies will not come. They vary year by year. But the Tata Steel is the most. Applied Materials and Tata Steel is a fixed company. They hire around, Applied Materials hires around 2 to 3 students, and Tata Steel around 4 to 5. And all other companies vary depending upon the requirement of the companies. The companies related to the battery sector, like the Amara Raja and also some Murata manufacturing in Japan, that also came last time. For APTI and maths, previous year practices. Yes, APTI you should practice from your different books. From basic, you shouldn't have a basic knowledge, because APTI is not from your previous years. Maths is definitely from your previous years. Okay, extractive metallurgy, you should read all the theory which is in the syllabus. You should be familiar with iron and steel making. In PSUs, they have a cutoff for 10th and 12th marks also. Average CTC is around 10 to 12 lakhs. Stream people are more recruitment. No, that is not specific. Materials corrosion, that is only for your admission. After that, you all will be merged in one. You all will be called metallurgists. So you can you can attempt this find my test, subject wise test, and your full length test, so that you will get a clear idea about what is your strength and weakness, and you can also analyze your difficulties in that subject wise test. And for full length test, I recommend you that you should attempt this full length test at the last moment. You can start that thing from your December and January. So from this time you can start your subject wise test, so that you can understand what is your level in the GATE examination. Can you remember? For non-core, it is like a heaven. IIT Bombay is a heaven. You can't expect every day you have to sit for 5 to 6 interviews if you are preparing for non-core. For core companies, core companies, it's around 7 to 8 companies totally, and they will give you around 15 offers max. So 15 students out of around 25 students, they will be placed. Non-core, everyone will be placed, and everyone will get 2 to 3 offers. Yeah, any more questions?
Okay, no questions now. I think now we should close the session. It's a 30 minutes AMA session. And guys, next session will be on Wednesday with All India Rank 3, our expert Nishita. So you can join that session also. All the details will be shared with you. And you can visit the findmytest.com to get the official. Okay, guys, all the best for GATE 22. And feel free to ask.
Sir, can you share the recording of this session?
Sure. On YouTube, on Find My Test YouTube channel, you will get it.
Okay, sir. Thank you.